Welcome, today I'm showing how to hide photos into a Realme 10. First of all, open your Photos application. It's standard application on this phone, this one, not Google Photos, only this. Okay, open this, then go into album and press and hold and select some photos what you wanna hide, for example this 5. Okay, then on the bottom block we got set as private button, tap it, and we got message set a privacy password first. Okay, go into set password, set privacy password, enter 6 digits, maybe like this. Okay, verify our password again, and now we need to get answer for recover information. Okay, former teacher's name, maybe Ted's. Okay, and for saving, tap OK. Now we got information. Quickly access private safe by touching and holding to borrow the homepage and apps such as my file asset photos. Okay, got it. Cancel. Private save. Go into our image. Here, nothing to hide. So let's try again. Press and hold to select. Okay, and now tap again set as private, and we got successfully message here. Touch and hold the tab bar on the bottom of the screen in photos to view private photos. Okay, go back, and here we got our tabs, photos, albums, and explore, and press and hold here. Now we need to enter our privacy password. And here we got our 5 photos. So easy, right? Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.